having me here this evening. Thank you ever so much for being here. All right, all I need to tell you about fashion is that fashion is not something that exists in clothes alone. Fashion is something in the air. It's the wind that blows in the new fashion. You can feel it coming, you can smell it. In the air, in the streets, it's everywhere. Fashion is not just a thing of clothes. It's an idea. It's to do with the way we live. It's what's happening all around us. And having said this, the time is just right to... And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to invite one of the most adored stars of the industry to kindly come and join us on stage. Please welcome one of the brand ambassadors of Glitterati Collection, Ms. Mahima Chaudhary. The Chairman, D'damas Glitterati Group, Mr. Mehul Choksi, to join us on stage.